Hello people, today we're gonna review the legit way to earn BTT. So if you don't know what is BTT, it's just money. It's just cryptocurrency, crypto money. It's on the Tron network, and the 47 BTT worth around $15. And today I'm gonna invest 47,000 BitTorrent BTT. Okay. And this platform is called Dlive. I already invested 42,000 BTT, and other people collectively we invested 60 billion. Okay, 16 billion BTT. And okay, let's start from. You might be thinking, is it a scam or what? How do they earn money? What is Dlive? Okay, let me satisfy your questions. So Dlive is the analog of YouTube or Twitch, but it has zero cuts. So as it says, they don't take. If someone donated you, they deliver you 100%. And Dlive rewards streamers or content creators and the viewers. So everyone is rewarded here. So it's just like getting paid for watching YouTube videos. You're not getting paid, right? At least even if you're a CEO of YouTube, you're not getting paid. So yeah, by watching Dlive, you can get paid by BTT, which we are talking about. And here is the CEO, Charles Wayne. So we know who is the CEO. We know that this website has a good design, obviously. Well, and we know their mission. We know that it's all about engagement bonus. They don't have zero cuts. They want to compete with YouTube and Twitch. That's okay. They have all of this. Yeah, this doesn't look like scam at all, because it's not about looking. It's about, we have all evidences that this is a organization that wants to achieve its goals. So let's look at the Dlive team, okay? So okay, we can see they are doing some tournaments, prizes. Okay, doesn't matter. So they have official Twitter. Let's see how many people are there. Programs, about, welcome to Dlive, brand, press kit, terms of service. Wait, so tweet. Wait, no. So official. Okay, so they have 31,000 people that are following them. That's a lot, right? Well, they have also these regular postings. Like, it's not like website that's created in one day and just collected all of these followers using like some cheating acts. No, it's not like that. We can see they are like really happy for something, like for some events, and even they are publishing their streamers. Okay, let's relax our eyes for 20 seconds, for 7. Yeah, it's just to prevent eye draining, you know. Okay, so we can see, yeah, pretty basic. It's not scam. This organization is legit. At least this organization is doing something, is trying to do something, actively promoting, and a lot of content creators are already here. They're okay, so Brawl Stars, this viral game, and they are posting this game as well. Yeah. Okay, then this is legit organization, but How I'm gonna earn money, you might ask me. Well, the thing is, you staking BTT, and let's say, okay, so I have to claim my reward first. So I have 47 BTT. So when I claim it, it should be around 48,000. Let's claim it. So it says you must have roughly 50,000 energy. As you can see, guys, I don't have any energy. I have only full bandwidth. Okay, let's continue. So the smart contract is going to ask claim reward. We're gonna accept it. And the only sad thing is that they don't have this code verified. That's the only sad thing is, but I think it's legit anyway. I just hope it's legit. So okay, so they send me BTT. Now let's check. Yeah, 48,000. Okay, 48,000. Yeah, this is just arrived. We can see it. And transfer account is from TEA. Is it the same account here? Yeah, TEA, right? Okay. Dismiss. Now we're gonna stake in. Wait, first of all, guys, you can see my stake transaction. Wait. Oh, it seems like they cleared my stake transactions actually, because I was like putting money 2 months ago, 1 month ago, and they cleared this. Okay, that's okay. So 47, right? 48. Let me. So I have 48, 39. Okay, 48, 39. And 3.36, 43.97. And guys, you need to have tricks in your account because it consumes energy, as they said, and all this requires tricks as the fee. Like here is fee is 0, but I'm sure here, yeah, fee is 0.16 tricks. So yeah, you need at least like around 5 tricks. Okay, so let's stake in. It again shows you need energy. Let's continue. Okay, let's accept stake in function. That's correct, right? Accept. Now let's wait. So yeah, they withdrew my BTT 0 because I write even that number after the dot, and we can see I have now 90,000. Yeah, 90,000 stake. So now how this works, how you gonna earn money? They said they have 0 cuts. 0 cuts means if someone donated you like $1, so they have like this. Let me click on this scale. Oh no. So let's say someone is, let's just enter someone's stream. So we can see here streamer is playing something. Wait, I don't want to. So streamer is playing, okay, and viewers want to donate, so they can BTT or lemon or ice cream or diamond or anything like that. So let's say viewer donated $1. Okay, now relax our eyes. Just 15 seconds, guys. You know eyes are important. Alright. 3, 4, 1, I think. Yeah. Okay. So $1. Now this gonna be 75% is going to the streamer, and 25 is going to you. Not especially you. It's going to the investors, stakers. Okay. So what do they mean by 0 cuts? It means usually instead of investors, here will be Twitch. just Twitch organization just because you're streaming there, but they're not taking profit out of you. They are purely distributing to people, not to their pocket. So we are removing this. Let's say someone donated 1000 BTT, and from that investors will receive 2050 BTT as a profit. Just like this, yesterday, just like this, yesterday 9 million BTT was distributed. So if 9 million was distributed, then just a quick math, it means 9 million is just 25%, then we're gonna be like 9,063,000 divided by 0.25. So it means 38.52 BTT was generally distributed, and so 75%, so 28 million BTT was rewarded to the content creators. Yeah, that's good. So okay, so I don't want to calculate this price, but I think it's enough money to enjoy your life for today at least. Okay, so math is done now, and they don't give you money every transaction. They just collect every transaction and give it at the end of the day. That's the thing. So come back tomorrow. It says come back tomorrow, which means they distributed every 24 hours instead of every hour or every minute or every transaction. So you have to just wait patiently. So staking means you're investing, and claim reward. Reward is like dividends in the stocks, like really stocks. And stakeout means I can just enter 90,000 and stake out all of my investment right now. But why I won't stake out? Because if you will stake out, it says you will not able to stake in nor stake out during the 2-week stake out period. So I'm gonna lose all of my profit, potential profit, that I don't want to lose. So I'm not gonna stake out right now. But guys, if you just look at this number, it's gonna change every time. Total BTT stake was 40 billion before, now it's just 16 billion. It was even 2 billion. So it really changes. It depends on the people. If someone just bought 1 billion BTT and stake in here, so it's gonna be like 17 billion, like this. And what's oh wait, so how to calculate your profit? So it works like this. 60 billion is staked, right? And you have only, I have only 90,000 staked. So first of all, we calculate our part, like how many percentage we own from the total market share. Let's calculate it. 90,000 divided by 1658. Okay, so now it's million. 16 million 50. Yeah, it's correct. It's million, but we want billion, right? Okay. So right now I own 5%, 5.4% of the total market share, which means if this BTT will be okay, let's relax our eyes, guys. So 10, 9, 8, okay, 3, 2, 1. So we own just 5% of the total market share. So from the 963 million, now let's calculate the 5% of it, 0.5. So it means, oh wow, it's too much actually for 5%. I think there is like an error or something. 90,000. Wait, so 650, 50. Okay, now 50. Well, I think I made a mistake. Let's calculate again because it's too much to earn. So again, 90,000 divided by 60, 58. So now it's million, 60 million 58, right? If I'm okay. This is billion. Well, okay, I own 5% of market share. Now let's just multiply it to the 963. Yeah, 9 million. So, oh, right. So from this I'm gonna earn 52 BTT every day. This is correct math. I just multiplied it, my market share multiplied to the BTT distributed yesterday. So it's not really 52 every day. It's not stable. If more people gonna invest, and if you're not gonna invest anymore, you're gonna earn less. And if BTT will be distributed less, you'll be earn less. Just like this. It's not stable. It doesn't depend on you. You need to just invest more to have more market share, and just hope that BTT will be like 10 million every day distributed. So yeah, 52 BTT. So I received 52 BTT yesterday, and if you didn't claim your reward, it will just, accumulate just like mine, 800, I didn't withdraw for 15 days or maybe something like that, or even 30, I don't remember. But the thing is, you can invest here and you can sleep and still earn money. Like, you don't need to hard work to earn here. You're just staking and that's it. Bad, guys, bad. What's the risk here? Yeah, it's still risky. Risk is, we know that YouTube are monopolies, right? Twitch are monopolies. So this website can shut down anytime. If CEO will like suddenly disappear, or CEO can just give up anytime his idea, so all of our investments will be lost probably. Well, it can be lost by that way, or since contract is not verified, we don't know, can the developer of the contract withdraw it without notifying us, and we won't even realize it. So that's the secret. That's the bad thing of the unverified contract. So if you're investing, I don't think you need to sell your house right now and invest it. Just invest what you afford to lose, what you can afford to lose, okay? Don't invest too much. Like, I'm investing $90,000 BTT, which is $30, okay? Like, I'm not risking too much money. It just seems like 90,000 BTT, but I'm just investing $30. But I hope BTT will rise in price in the future, just like Bitcoin, maybe. So this $30 can bring me like 100 even. It depends on the price. And that, guys, that's all. Please don't, I'm not a financial advisor, but like, I'm just a random guy on the YouTube, so it's your own money, your own hard-earned money, so just invest wisely, okay? If you are interested in smart contract development, audition, and how to make sure that it's secure, then follow me on YouTube. See you in the next video.